Hello, everyone, and welcome to Trade Insights. Today, we're beginning our very first lesson on the share market. This course is specially designed for complete beginners, even if you've never heard about investing before. Don't worry, we'll learn everything step by step in the simplest way possible. By the end of this lesson, you'll clearly understand what the share market really is and how it works. So stay with me until the end, because every scene builds your foundation for becoming a smart investor. Before we begin, let me ask you a simple question. When you hear the words share market, what comes to your mind? Some people believe it's nothing more than gambling. Others think it's an easy way to become rich overnight. And many are afraid they'll lose all their money. But here's the truth. None of these beliefs tell the complete story. Let's discover what the share market really is in the simplest way possible. First, let's understand the word market. A market is simply a place where people buy and sell things. We visit a vegetable market to buy vegetables. We go to clothing stores to buy clothes. In the same way, the share market is a marketplace where people buy and sell company shares. You're not buying vegetables or gold here. You're buying a small ownership stake in a business. Every growing business needs money. Generally, a company has two main options. It can borrow money from a bank, or it can raise money by selling a small part of its ownership to the public. These ownership units are called shares. When investors buy those shares, they become partial owners of the company. That's the basic idea behind the share market. Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine a small tea shop that becomes very popular. The owner now wants to open branches across different cities. But expansion requires a lot of money. Instead of borrowing everything from a bank, the owner decides to sell a small portion of the business as shares. People buy those shares and provide the capital the company needs to grow. If the business performs well and continues to expand, the company's value may increase. As the company's value grows, the value of those shares may also increase. And that's the fundamental purpose of the share market, helping businesses grow while giving investors an opportunity to participate in that growth. I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trade Insights for more beginner-friendly stock market lessons. If you prefer learning in Tamil, we've also created this lesson in Tamil. You can watch it on our channel by visiting the Tamil version from our videos or playlists. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.